Good afternoon. My name's Ed Nelson. Someone asked me who was going to introduce me so I could introduce our president, but I'll just introduce myself and we'll get on with it. I'm from the University of Utah, as is Dr. Scaife, and I am absolutely thrilled and proud to introduce her as your 71st president of the Southwestern Surgical Congress. I think this should be short, and my job is to, for those of you who don't know her, give you a short thumbnail so you get to know her a little bit. First of all, I have a couple disclosures. Number one is I don't follow instructions well. That's why I'm wearing a tie and a white shirt. You all got the same email I did, but that'll be the theme of this short presentation. I was also told by Dr. Scaife not only to be short, but no embarrassing pictures, and specifically no baby pictures, nothing from her past that would in any way embarrass her. So let's get started. Some of these really don't need any verbiage behind them. Dr. Scaife is a professor of surgery at the University of Utah, and this is really the what. This is what's in the CV. She's a professor of surgery. She's vice chair for cancer affairs at our cancer center. She's an NIH-funded researcher. She gets teaching awards every 3 to 4 years, which is really quite an accomplishment, with 30 other faculty members to compete with. She's got over 70 peer-reviewed publications, numerous chapters, abstracts, books, presentations on the CV. She's volunteered as a surgeon in the Philippines, Mongolia, the Dominican Republic, and Nepal. The who of Dr. Scaife is also very interesting. She, number one would be her medical school in Wisconsin. Her two would be residency at Utah, 3 would be her fellowship at MD Anderson, and 4, her ascent to a complete surgeon at the University of Utah. You all come from different institutions, you all have your own experiences. Those that work in the OR know that in any institution there is a go-to surgeon. And that really is what Dr. Scaife has become at the University of Utah. And how she got there has something to do with her tenacity. Her parents were kind enough to give me this clip from the local newspaper in Wisconsin, and you can't read it very well across the top there, but it says, "Courtney Scaife hangs with the country's best," and tiny Courtney did the flexed arm hang for 70 seconds and finished in a 100th percentile. She is truly tenacious about the things that she tries to accomplish. Here she is in high school or college. You can see that she's giving the other runner quite a bit of an advantage in terms of leg length here, but she is ahead, and she's taken that same tenacity, and instead of running short races in college or high school, she now runs 100-mile ultramarathons or climbs 14,000 plus feet mountains all around the world. She also took a bit of a shortcut recently to getting on with family life. She's coming up on her 3rd anniversary, married to Jeff, and with Hank and Mimi as to complete her family. One of the things that Courtney likes to say is that she's brutal but honest. And I hope that this short introduction has at least been honest. I didn't mean for it to be brutal. Courtney is an accomplished surgeon. She's a wonderful colleague, and she's become a very close friend, and I'm very proud to introduce her to you as your 71st president. Thank you.